What's up, YouTube? So today we are doing a little tutorial on how you can custom fabric wrap your A-pillars. So your supplies you're gonna need for today is some spray adhesive, some scissors, an A-pillar from any car, and a leftover piece of fabric from probably your D.I.y headliner if you want to go check out that video. These are awesome videos because I like to pretty much roll every video into the next one if I can. So what I'm doing here is using all the scraps from my headliner to completely wrap both of my front A-pillars. I promise it looks fucking great. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do today is we're going to take the scissors and we're going to cut a little border around the outside of the A-pillar. We're going to leave it about an inch, maybe 2 inches wider on each side, so you do have the ability to wrap it underneath and glue it. Alright, after you get the spare piece of fabric cut out bigger than what you need to wrap, what you're going to want to do is get the fabric on top of the panel right here. Alright, so the fabric is gonna fit. Now I'm going to start from the easiest side and work my way down to the hard side. As you can see, this is the side that's split, so I'm gonna work on the Y split after I get this end glued down. You want to use a generous amount of glue, but not too much that it soaks through the fabric. It'll look pretty bad. Here we go. Alright, so it turns out I was not recording while I was spraying this and tacking it down. I thought it was. But this is what the finished product's gonna look like. You want to do a real nice coat of glue onto the plastic and then just slowly rub your fabric onto it so that there's no wrinkles or anything. When you get to these parts right here, you're gonna want to cut a slit all the way down to the middle and then cut it exactly how the shape is so you can wrap it around the back. I'll show you what the back looks like. The back's not the prettiest, but you'll never see it, so you don't ever have to worry about that. I just stuck the glue to the edges, wrapped it around, made it sure it's all tight. Here's what it looks like when it's all done and installed. I think it looks super good. So here's my headliner. You guys can find a link to how to do the headliner in another video. It's basically the same concept as the pillars. You just want to apply a nice coating of glue, and then you just want to rub it down. And then you want to make sure there's no wrinkles. You'll be all good to go. Make sure your edges look good too. You want to make sure they're folded over and not sticking out at all. here it is, red velvet headliner and pillars. Woo!